Apple Watch Series 12 and Ultra 4 are launching next month, and rumors indicate they'll pack a big upgrade. Welcome to GadInsider, your place for the latest tech news. The watches are coming with a new, more powerful chip that will arrive at just the right time. Most Apple products get more powerful chips all the time, but Apple Watch is the exception. New Apple Watch models debut annually, but the new S-Class chips don't actually pack an improved CPU. True performance upgrades only happen every few years. Last year was even more worse. Apple Watch Ultra 3 and Series 11 had the exact same S10 chip as their predecessors, but rumors indicate we're getting a truly meaningful chip upgrade this year. Apple Watch Series 12 and Ultra 4 will debut a brand new chip, probably named S12 or S11. Mark Gurman recently wrote that this year's new models will get a long-awaited bump in chips and speed. The last time an Apple Watch chip brought performance gains were the S9 in 2023. But watchOS 27 launches next month, and so is the new Siri AI, a feature that could truly benefit from a more powerful chip. Siri AI on Apple Watch isn't a lesser version of the assistant. It's the same new and improved Siri found on iPhone, iPad, and Mac. That's a big part of why watchOS 27 cuts off support for many older watch models. Throughout the watchOS 27 beta, Siri has been a bit less responsive, but part of that was made due to the older chip, which far predates any AI version of Siri. Apple Watch Series 12 and Ultra 4 will have the first watch chip built for the AI era, and it couldn't come at a better time. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.